Good morning. Today is Wednesday, September 9th. Yesterday we talked all about decade numbers, and we have also been reviewing teen numbers. So what we're going to do today is we are going to model the difference between teen numbers and decade numbers. So let's read the I can statement together from NBT 2. I can model teen numbers and decade numbers with tens and ones. So you're going to watch this video, then you're going to watch my video, and then you're going to do the following assignments. You can be building these with me with your green 10 sticks that we put in your math manipulative kit. So please use those and not the Unifix cubes. Just please make sure that you're using these that are green. So I'm going to build 19 and 90. Now, are these the same? No, because I know that when I look at this right here, when I look at 1, I know that there's one group of 10 and 9 leftovers. When I look at 90, I know there's 9 groups of 10 and 0 leftovers. So to show us, we're going to build it. So I'm going to build 19. How many groups of 10? 1. And then I need 9 leftovers. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe, sorry, 8, and 9. So let's double check. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Perfect. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to build 90. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Double check. I can count how many 10 sticks I have. How many do I need? Need 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Very good. Let's go to the next one. So I need to build 16 and 60. Are those the same? No. I know that 16 is a teen number because it starts with a 1. I know that 60 is a decade number. So let's build 16. One group of 10, how many left over? 6. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Very good. So I build my teen number 16. Now, how many 10s do I need? 60. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Are these the same amount, the same quantity? No, these are different. Which one is greater? 60 and 16 has less. Very good. So we're not going to mix up our decade numbers and our teen numbers anymore, are we? No way. All right, let's build 17 and 70. Ready? How many groups of 10? 1. And I hope you're doing this with me with your 10 sticks and your 1s with your 10s and 1s. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Now, how many do I need to build? 70. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, squeeze that in there, and 70. How many groups of 10? 7. How many left over? 0. How many groups of 10? 1. How many left over? 7. Math is so cool. That always makes sense. So now what we're going to do, what I want you guys to do is to use your 10 sticks and 1s to make the following numbers. So you're going to do the same thing that we just did up here, but you're going to do it by yourself. And you could take pictures and upload it to Seesaw. So what I want you to do, sorry, you're going to build 18 and 80, 15 and 50, 14 and 40. Sorry, don't upload this section to Seesaw, you'll upload another section. Sorry about that. So this is just for practice. So parents, tutors, go ahead and practice with them building this. So 18 and 80, like I said, don't upload this section to Seesaw. 18 and 80, 15 and 50, and 14 and 40. You can pause it and go back and practice. So now this is the assignment that you're loading to Seesaw. Here you have the example. You can just get a paper and you can write the team numbers up here. Or you can write the team number and the decade number. So you're going to build 13 and 30. And then you're going to build 16 and 60. And just see this example. So to repeat, you're posting this picture to Seesaw. And then you're going to post this one to Seesaw. And then these 3 slides right here, this is just for you to practice. So I hope that you guys have a great day. Sorry for the confusion right there. But just upload those to Seesaw. Thanks so much.